bum 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 ba-da-da bum 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 ba-da-da-dun dun dun da-da-da-dun da-da-da da-da-da-da da-da-da-da. Reloading captioning. Welcome back. My name is Alpha Nova. Sorry about that. Hello here. My name is Alpha Nova, and here today I'm with another vlog video day. And so excited. I just can't feel it. I can't. Anyway, that's not the point. Today, I don't know what I'm going to talk about, but in 2 days, actually, when Sunday is over, Monday, Alpha Nova is going to college. Surprise for him. He knows he's gonna do so well. And here's my study partner. Hey George. Study partner. I'm not sure if you guys saw him. He's right there. Say hi, study partner. Study partner. Help. Anyway, but yeah, today that's my study partner. So now, officially,
we're not really study partners because we don't have the same classes.
We kind of do. We have one class that's the same.
Alright, so what's your
Right now we're talking about our classes.
Alright, so what's the name of your teacher? Because I haven't
My teacher's name shall not be excluded in this video. Sorry, copyright reasons. As for short, I don't want anybody to see this video and somehow end up in my class and tell my teacher that I said their name in this video, and it'll be kind of creepy.
You're not gonna tell them about your new haircut?
Yes, as you can see, Alpha Nova
is bald.
I am not bald. I just look like a Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor who just had a Vin Diesel baby. And Vin Diesel has hair. Anyway, but yeah, so today it's gonna be a wonderful day. Oh yeah, today Conor McGregor versus what's the other guy's name? Mayweather. Go Conor McGregor. Irish man with tiny nipples. I'm eating grilled cheese. Favorite sandwich food. Good supply of nutrients. And milk. Oh duh, you just made it. Hey look, a King Kong commercial. Drinking my water that tastes like lemon. Don't mind that kid in the back. He's just in the background.
You sound like you're drinking wine because you have a lot of ice in there. Hey bro, don't do that.
I'm not editing that out. Everything that I record is non-editing. When I get a computer, some video games, and probably some stuff when I get my dosh.
Alright, thank God. And why didn't you make a gaming video?
Well, good question, person. And here's his face.
Hey bro, don't do that.
Dude, my tongue's over there.
Privacy.
And there's his face. It's unknown. He might be chess.
I have math on Monday.
Monday, my class is I think either English or reading. Well, my friend here has math. Sucks for him. I know. I would have taken math, but they saw my math record and they said this. Math record is too good. Thank you. Do not take math yet. Okay. And that's it.
It's weird. I did really good on the state test, but like for some reason they say I'm not good at all.
Well, you know, it's college. Tip fact about college. College, nothing's easy. Unless you make it easy for yourself.
Like you did. You don't even know what to say. La Familia Felice. It's actually a popular show. Actually, not that show, but the other show.
I'm just watching a Spanish TV show, Shadow. I don't understand it. So I'm just looking at the screen and pretend I laugh. Now you'll watch me eat my grilled cheese.
Alright. Can I see your classes? I think I'm not on the wait list. Thank God.
There goes the grilled cheese. Heavy likes.
What?
Anyway, but yeah. So today what I'm going to talk about is a new Star Wars movie. It looks very interestingly good. If I were you, I'll look at the posters that came out for it. Everybody's wearing red, surprisingly. Sorry, still eating while I'm talking. I know people will miss my hair. I know certain people will.
I won't. I will. Nobody won't.
Shut up. My hair is beautiful.
Alright, to make you feel better.
You ugly. Yeah, my friend says he's most beautiful than me. I hardly does that.
Algebra, what the fuck?
Eh.
I already passed algebra. Should be getting geometry, man.
Oh yeah. In college,
Calculus.
you know, after the first semester is over, which I also recommend that other high school kids thinking about going to college, do good in your first semester. Trust me. If you do good, your first semester will be free. Actually, no. Your second semester will be free if you do good in your first semester.
Your major would be, like your college fund would be completely free. Like if you get a major. After
one course, you know what I mean. If you finish one and do well, you'll get the second semester free.
No, look.
It's a true fact of fact, bro.
This is a fact, I think. If you get a major, your whole college thing was for free. You don't have to pay them back. That's what I think.
That's what he thinks. Well, my opinion is if you get the first semester well done, second semester is free. We're back. I love that song. That song in the background. I love that song.
Have you seen the meme where Marge is like this? You haven't seen that meme?
Let me see.
Wait, let me search it up.
Meme time.
It's so cringy, man. That was cringy. Something from a sitcom. Like something from Disney. Wait, what's her name again?
What?
Oh, Marge. Marge. Alright, I gotta remember this. See? Look, this.
Oh god, my tail's about to die soon, so I'll have to cut this video short.
You haven't seen that one?
I've seen a TV show about it.
Oh, it's funny. They put like anime.
Anyway, I gotta go, guys. Alpha Nova's leaving. Bye. I'll try to do more videos in college. So adios.